When I first came to the Claymans, there was a particular issue. I had, unfortunately, a botched surgery from another physician in town, another plastic surgeon. And I went around to all the different cosmetic surgeons and had consultations with them. I was not satisfied until I met Dr. Clayman. He was the only physician that was going to be able to give me the results that I had hoped for and that I had wanted, and do the procedure without removing the nipple. So he did it. He actually did an internal lift, and he far exceeded my expectations with the surgery. I couldn't be happier. I've got my life back. I was self-conscious before, even around my husband of 10 years. And I just felt deformed. I felt disfigured. And Dr. Clayman gave me my confidence back more than I had had before. I mean, like I said, I couldn't be happier with the results. And he did a beautiful job. He really did. I didn't have any worries or concerns after I met with Dr. Clayman, had a consult with him. He went out of his way to make sure that I feel comfortable with the procedure and what expectations to expect. Where other physicians, I didn't feel that they took the time with me that he did, and I didn't feel that they cared. I really didn't. I felt that they just obviously were there to do a job and to make money, and that was the absolute opposite, with what happened with Dr. Clayman. I don't know many physicians, plastic surgeons, especially as busy as Dr. Clayman, that would actually give you their personal cell phone number, call you to, ask if you had any questions regarding the procedure, really just, I had 30-minute consults and people were in and out. He took, probably well over an hour with me, showed me all kinds of different pictures and, even some of the, women that he performed surgery on in his office, he had me talk to them and made me feel comfortable with their experience and things like that. Because obviously I shared with them what I was looking for and because of my deformity. So the other physicians didn't do that. And he was a third of what they cost. So they were literally going to charge me 3 times what he was going to charge me, and not give me the results that I was looking for still. Like I said, they were actually going to be removing the nipple, and I didn't want that because then you would have more of a scar. He was the only one that said, no, I'm not going to do that. You'll be more disformed. I'm going to do an internal lift, which is exactly what he did. And he gave me smaller implants, which is what I was looking for. It was incredible, the results and the things that he was able to do. So couldn't be happier. I would recommend anyone that is looking for an incredible surgeon, someone that's extremely meticulous, someone that makes you feel like not just a patient. It really makes you feel special and cared for. Someone that is looking for the best results, for the best price, and to get the best care. There's no doubt I got the best care from him. I even have come back for another procedure because of it. So I recommend him to anybody that's looking for all of those things. And I couldn't imagine anyone, when they go to seek consultations and is looking for a surgeon that wouldn't want those things. I would just like to add that Dr. Clayman sincerely is not only an incredible physician and produces, just beautiful work. He is sincerely one of the most caring and loving people I've ever met, let alone it being a physician. I've never felt like a patient. He's always treated me like part of his family. He really has. And that's why, I'm still very close with them today. And it's been several years since I had my procedure. So, blessed to know him.